what's going on, guys? Thank you again for joining my channel, and I want to thank you guys again for checking out my videos. So today I'm gonna be working on this thing behind, and what's going on is I am going to be replacing this thing, the windshield wiper motor. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was this side that went bad. I don't know why they're made out of plastic. That's that still blows my mind. But what happened is this part right here popped off while I was driving. Only one windshield wiper was going, and I kind of had to rig things up. I drilled a hole in here, and oh, there goes a rubber grommet. I drilled a hole, and what I did is I bolted it with a whole bunch of washers just to kind of get by. And sorry, family stopped by, so I had to take a quick break. So anyways, like I was saying, I kind of had to drill through this part, put some bolts, nut bolt washers, just for it to get by. But it's still, the windshield wipers still doesn't, it looks completely off. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna get through this, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so finally done. Had to kind of rough out the plastic. Bunch of heads up. Before you do it, flip your wipers up in the up position in order to unlatch it. And how you unlatch it is there's this lever right here that you just pulls out and slips right out. But you're not gonna be able to do it if the windshield is flat against the windshield. Just learn from my mistake. So, and also, it's easier to disconnect the windshield wipers from the, you see, the three-way connection over here. It was so much easier rather than trying to wrestle with it. So, okay, let's get back over here. Look at the old part. So, yeah, as you can see here, I rigged something up like a nut and bolt, but as you can see, there's so much play in it that it wasn't working. I mean, this thing is all kinds of crusty anyways. So this is connected by 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. And let's get this thing out and get the new one in. And there you have it, all out. Get this bad part out of here, and here's a better look on. I mean, you see that? I mean, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, but okay, so I got the new part right here, and I got this part actually from Amazon. I can't remember the price. It was, I believe, I think it was maybe $200. I could, you know, I could be mistaken. But again, and these 3 bolts are 10 millimeters. I don't know why Dodge is like the only American vehicle that uses metric bolts, but I can't explain that to you guys. Maybe leave in a comment below on why Dodge does that if you guys know. Okay, so I got 1. It's 2. Go. Get this bad boy in here. Now I'll plug this connector in. And voila. What I'm gonna do is, because everything's out, I'm gonna go test it out and make sure that it does work and properly rotates. Yeah, looks like it works. So now we'll get everything all buttoned up. Also, when taking these plastics off, of course, I know you've seen already, I broke every single plastic cap in here, but I'm not worried about that because I have a case of new plastic fasteners. And also, the end bolts are the Torx. Let me get that side for you. I used a Torx T25 to get the 2 screws out on the ends of the plastics. So after this, seeing everything, inspecting everything, let's just put this thing back together. And there you have it. Yes. Oh boy, okay. So, as you guys could clearly see that I was struggling putting these things back on. So, just gonna go over it with you guys real quick. So, this slides in this side, slides into this side. So, my advice for you guys is leave it loose, kind of in place, kind of what you saw me do at the end. Slide it in, and then put it in, because there's also how can I say it, prongs or tabs that slide into the frame of the truck, and you kind of gotta slide it in that way for it to sit good. And then you screw in your torque screws at the end. And I filled in the plastic clips. I got it from this case over here, this kind of kit that has all kinds of different clips. I also got this from Amazon, and you know, I've been using it quite a bit, you know, especially with you, if you guys know what I mean, the headaches of taking off these clips and they're breaking. It is very good to have this case, this kit of different clips. Let's see, anything else to go over? Yeah, so update for you guys, just my luck today while I was using the truck. What happened was is my parking brake broke. How did it break? Well, see this part right here? Rusted right off. And popped right off this mount. And oh, that's right, I took it off already. Get back over here. What did I do with it? Oh, it's right here. Don't mind my garage, it's a mess. I know. So, look at here. So what happened is, I guess this part kinked. Weather got into it, and it just started rusting away. And so as soon as I put on the parking brake, it just snapped. Pop! I did find one at my local O'Reilly's for $60. I mean, $60 for this. So I'll probably pick that up tomorrow. Also, probably tomorrow I'm going to, as you can see, there's no front drive shaft. When we first got the truck, there was a loud humming sound. Don't know where, but you know, we took it off, the sound went away. We changed differential, gears, bearings, and just recently we did the transfer case where we changed all the bearing. Pretty much did a rebuilt on the transfer case. And so I've yet to put on the front drive shaft, which I'll probably do tomorrow, and get this four-wheel drive working. And then tomorrow I'll be doing that. Unfortunately, we've decided to sell this. So what I'm doing is I'm pretty much getting it ready to sell. I'm going to change out the suspension, tail light gaskets, and also I'm going to give it a good polish, but that'll be for a different video. As well as this big girl right here. We've also decided that our family has outgrown it to where it is time to get something a bit more useful. I'm not gonna lie, I am gonna miss all of these, but you know, just let you guys know, hey, the Yukon's still sticking around. I can't even get rid of that thing if even I wanted to, but yeah, expect more videos for this thing to come on. That definitely got quite a videos. This is a project in its own, but yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching my videos again and supporting me in what I do, and keep sending those comments. Tell me what more do you guys want to see. Sorry, it's a late night, guys. I'm tired. I've been working all day. But yeah, again, thank you guys for supporting me and watching my videos, and I'm glad that these videos help you in some way. So until next time, click that subscribe button below along with the thumbs up, and thank you again, guys. Thank you guys again for watching my videos, and you guys take care.